Hey guys, this is John from Troubleshooting Technologies. Today we're going to talk about dry blasting, specifically pressure pots. We're going to talk about what a pressure pot is, where you can mount them. We're also going to talk briefly about what's the difference between a siphon and a pressure pot and how to operate them. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so today we are inside our massive showroom where we house and showcase vapor honing machines, our hydroblasting lineup, and also our dry blasting machines as well. And right behind me we have the VH2000 dry blast, which is a pressure pot system. So the big question is, what is a pressure pot? To answer this question, we need to know the difference between a siphon system and a pressure pot. A siphon system sucks the abrasive media, like a vacuum, out of your hopper or reclaimer. The siphon system is low cost and easy to set up and maintain, great for smaller projects and lower volume work. Now we have the pressure pot system. The pressure pot is located underneath your hopper or reclaimer, and what it does is that the abrasive is pressurized and forcefully pushed out of the nozzle, making your dry blasting process more efficient and faster, perfect for commercial use and high volume work. So if you're looking for a light and moderate task and more of like a low volume work, a suction or a siphon system might be sufficient. Now, if you're looking for a heavy duty or a high volume, that's where the pressure pot comes in. Now, we've made plenty of videos about the differences between these two, and if you want to check those videos out, they're right here. Like I said before, there are two ways you can mount the pressure pot. Right behind me, we have the VH2000, and the pressure pot is underneath the reclaimer. That's where you're going to put your abrasive inside the reclaimer, and the pressure pot does its work. So the pressure pot is underneath the reclaimer. Now, if you go all the way to the VH1000, that one is underneath the hopper. So like I said, there's two ways you can mount your pressure pots. It's either underneath the reclaimer or underneath the hopper itself. A way to operate these things, now the VH2000, if you look right here, you have the power switch, and on the top is the switch to basically activate or pressurize your pot. If you go all the way to, like, say, the VH3500, which is our soda blaster, and also the 4000, there is the switches on the top or the side. That is to fill and also depressurize your pressure pot or your machine. So these are the ways to operate and how to mount your pressure pot. If you have any more questions about dry blasting, about pressure pots, about siphon, you can call our sales team. The number is 828-202-5563. We also have a website, and we make and produce daily content about dry blasting, about hydroblasting, and vapor blasting. So thank you guys for watching. We hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.